Hi, my name is Bergstrom. I'm the Advanced Cyberinfrastructure Manager for the University of North Dakota, and this is my Artificial Intelligence and Virtual Reality Lab. Give you a tour today. First, we'll just come in the front doors here. This is our workstation area where we develop video games and do other kinds of 3D content development. Over here in this corner, we have the 24 headset VR classroom kit where we can have 24 students experiencing VR at the same time. And that's guided with a Lenovo tablet where the instructor can point things out in the tablet and the students can see them in real time inside the VR headsets. Here we have a Vive HTC headset, and we've got a couple of students here at UND developing a paintball video game. And it's a multi-user video game, so you can see on this side there's a headset, and on that side there's a headset, and we have students in here working together on that, shooting at each other. In this room we have our 3D Digitization Lab. I'll wave my arm to turn on the light. There we go. This is our 3D scanner, and what we have is a calibration mat. Depending on the size of the object, you turn that calibration mat around, and then you scan it with a 3D scanner. That will bring it into some high-end software we have, and you can turn that into a 3D model and then take that model downstairs to the university IT department and have that turned into a 3D printed object. Over here we have some of the headsets that we have here in the lab. We have a HoloLens. This is one of our VR headset classroom kit VR headsets. We have Oculus Go. We have some smart glasses of various types, and then we have a 3D sculpting tool, which you can model 3D virtual clay and turn that into 3D models on the computer and insert into your video games and other 3D projects that you're working on. You notice that none of the computer workstations here in the lab actually have computers by them, and that is because all of our computers are rack-mounted workstations. So this is where we keep all of our computers. There's a little lot in there, so we'll come back out, but you can see all those computers in that rack control various things around the lab. We have 3D workstations, 3D viewing platforms, a couple other things that we'll get to here in a minute. And this is our activity space here in the VR lab. As you can see, I'm wearing a motion capture suit. And on the screen there, we can see me walking around. That's capturing my movements in real time. So this room, we do 3D motion capture. We fly drones in here, or we'll fly drones in here, control robots, and also do VR activities. So this summer we'll have a Department of Defense project where we'll be using very high-end 3D headsets with augmented reality and LiDAR. And using green screen technology to merge the real visuals that the participants have with the virtual environments. So those students will be able to see their hands in front of them, but then off in the distance see the 3D virtual world. Other project we have planned that we're currently working on for the Midwest Big Data Hub is something called Native Dancer, and we've got trying to get things rolling with a Tribal Nations Research Group. And that project we'll be working on collecting some data around powwow dancing. And so the idea is that we'll have people trained in powwow dancing come in here, or people who participate in competition powwows on a regular basis, put on the motion capture suit and capture some of that powwow dancing data. And then at some point we're hoping to leverage that into building artificial intelligence based video game to do esports and smart health projects. Over here is our Autonomous Systems Lab. It's a little bit chaotic right now, but basically if you have a robot or a drone, you can sit at this workstation here, look out the window and control that in that space out there. Also over here we'll have an electronic station, so if your drone breaks, you can sit down and solder it and fix electronic parts and that sort of thing. And then out here we have our meeting rooms. And in these meeting rooms we have stereoscopic television sets. So So this is the kind of 3D you get at movie theaters, where you put on glasses and you see the 3D pop out in front of you. And basically we have two of these high-end TVs. These are 8K TVs. And so the idea is that if you have a research meeting and you want to show off some 3D visualization at the research meeting, you come over here and check out the rooms. So this is the UND AI and VR lab. More than happy to talk about the lab space and our activities with anyone that's interested. Thank you for watching the video.